So what are we seeing here? We're seeing a motivated facial recognition prop. Now to break this down, a LiDAR up here is measuring the distance between an actor and the prop. And as the actor approaches the prop and enters certain zones, SVG layers will be turned on within the prop. So I'm now in the scanning zone. As I approach, I'm identified, facial recognition, and whether or not access is being granted. And at this point, if we introduce Bluetooth tags, which are carrying my identity, my character's identity, we'll see new information being sent to the prop. So my name is now going to appear. And this Bluetooth tag is being listened for by this beacon here. So as I walk towards the prop again, this time the beacon has identified the Bluetooth tag as me. I will be identified as Rachel, facial recognition, and then granted access. Now we can use several different Bluetooth tags. So this time we're going to introduce a different character, which will be Andy. So if I swap my Bluetooth tags over, the beacon will listen for the closest Bluetooth tag. So this time, Andy's been identified, and as I walk towards the prop, Andy will be identified, recognised, and then have access granted. And you can do this with as many characters as you need to do, and depending on whether or not you're part of the art department, you can decide what's actually going to appear on the SVG layers, and also the design of the prop itself as well. As we always say, we're not prop makers, but just for the purposes of demonstrating what we're doing here with a generic iPad prop, you can see what we've done. So if this is something you'd be interested in, and we personally feel it'd be particularly beneficial in a volume to allow for that interactive element between the foreground and the virtual environment. So in this case, we imagine it to be, I get granted access and then a door opens behind me, then don't hesitate to get in contact with us.